Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to create custom audience of video views in Facebook Ads Manager. As you can see, I am into my Facebook Ads Manager and here you will get an option of audiences. Just simply click on that and this page would appear, right? Here we will click on create audience, then custom audience, and now we are going to select the video as our custom audience source, right? And we'll click on next. Here it is asking us about the engagement, whom you want to target, right? Of which kind of people you want to create custom audience on the basis of video views. As you can see, we can create custom audience of people who have viewed at least 3 seconds of our video. Then generally we don't create a custom audience of these kind of people because 3 seconds are too much small, right? We can create custom audience of people who have watched our video for more than 10 seconds or 15 seconds, or we can also create custom audience according to the percentage of video watched, right? It is 25%, 50%, 75%, 95%. Let me tell you how to create custom audience in a right way and run an ad campaign so that you get good results, right? For example, if I am going to promote my digital marketing course, then for that I will run an ad campaign, right, with informational content first, not with the advertisement content, right? Where I can create a video on how to promote your business using social media platforms, right? Or how to create a Facebook page, or what things are required for creating a website, right? And of those videos I can run a awareness ad campaign, right? Or directly a traffic ad campaign, or whatever the objective of campaign, we can just simply select and can run a simple ad campaign on the saved audience, right? Now for example, I am running an ad campaign of top 5 ways to promote your business using social media platforms, right? And for example, you have seen that particular video, and if you are not a businessman, right, or if you don't want to promote your business using digital marketing, you are not tech savvy, then you are not going to watch that video for more than like 3 seconds, 10 seconds or 15 seconds. Like you will get an interest might be in that video, but when we will go into the technicalities of social media marketing, then you might skip that video or leave that video because you are not a tech savvy, right? But if you are a tech savvy and you are also interested in running the business promotion of your business on social media platforms, and you are also a businessman, then only you are going to watch that particular video for a longer duration. And for example, I have created the video of 1 minute, for example, then might be you are going to lose your interest after 30 seconds if that video doesn't relates to you, right? 15 seconds is too much small, like 25% of 60 seconds is 15 seconds, right? So initially it takes on and around like 15 seconds to just introduce myself and introduce the video, right? What kind of video I am just presenting. So might be users can watch that particular 15 seconds, right? Initially it doesn't get bored, right? But after 30 seconds, if that video is not related to you, you will simply skip, or if that video is relatable to you, then only you will watch that video, right? So I will showcase my video on to the saved audience using a ad campaign, right? To the general audience I can show my video, and then using that video I can create custom audience of users who have seen my ad for more than 50%, right? Then I will get a good audience, right? For example, I have shown my video to 1 lakh users, but among those 1 lakh users, only 2000 users have seen my video more than 50%. Then I will create a custom audience of those 2000 users, and then I will retarget those 2000 users with my commercial ads. So this is the total strategy of using the video views as a custom audience, right? So we are going to select this 50%, as 50% is a good number, is a healthy number, right? Many times what happens that people are interested in our video and our video is relatable to them, but due to some work they might leave the video in between. So that's why I am just selecting the 50%. You can also select the 75% or 95% to get more creamy audience, right? But we also need to consider that our audience size must be good or healthy, right? It must not be that much narrow that only few peoples are left in like that particular custom audience. So to get good number of custom audience, we have selected 50% of our video who have watched, and now we will select simply videos. I will select my Facebook page, and here we can add all those videos. It is not necessary to add a single video. If you want to add multiple videos, you can simply select them. You can simply change the source of your video also. Like if you have uploaded it on Instagram, then you can select the Instagram as well, and you can simply select those videos from Instagram also. Or if you just want to select the video from the campaign, for example, you have not published that video in Facebook page or Instagram account, and you have run your ad campaign directly by uploading that video into the ad campaign. As you know, I have told you earlier, when you create a new campaign, then there is no necessity to just publish those ad creatives on your Facebook page or Instagram account. You can directly upload the ad creative in that particular ad campaign and you can run. That we have learned in ad setup. If you don't know what it is, then kindly visit our YouTube channel and check out our meta ads playlist, and there you can learn about that particular thing. So here I'm going to select my Facebook page, and whatever the videos I just want to select, I can simply select them, and we can also change the page from here to select some more videos, right? And then we will click on confirm. Okay, so for how long you want to retain those users in this custom audience, like user who have seen my these videos in last 15 days, I want to create custom audience of those users. Now what will happen as days will pass on, right? Tomorrow automatically new users will come to and become part of my custom audience, and the old users will automatically leave my custom audience, right? This custom audience will keep getting updated and will only retain those users who have seen our videos in last 15 days, right? So new people will keep adding on, and the old users will keep leaving this custom audience, right? So you can insert whatever the audience retention days you want. Generally users lost their interest in product or services after 15 to 20 days. If they bought that particular product or service within 15 days, then it's good. Else after 15 days, generally users leave their interest, right, in purchasing that particular product or service. So here we will enter the audience name, video trial 123, and we can also mention a good description. It's just for our reference, so we know of which kind of users this custom audience belongs to. And we will simply click on create audience, and hooray, our custom audience have been created and is in populating mode and will get ready soon in next 24 to 48 hours, and then you can run ad campaign using this custom audience. Now if you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check out our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit to our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.